1. Currently on sale is a unique 1972 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow Long Wheelbase Custom at a price of $29,972. This exclusive car with a clean title has a mileage of 94,000 miles and is one of 2,780 LWB models distinguished by its unique design. The car is painted in dark blue and the interior is made in tan leather. It is equipped with a 6.75-liter V8 engine, providing excellent performance. Citroen's high-drop pneumatic suspension system ensures exceptionally smooth movement. The car is also equipped with disc brakes, independent rear suspension, and an updated audio system. This Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow stands out for its unique styling, including special front optics, streamlined fog lights, side skirts, a limousine roof with a small window, and a dented place for the license plate. It is a classic Rolls-Royce model with a unique design that can attract attention anywhere. 2. Currently on sale is an exquisite 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo at a price of $24,000. This car, which has covered 113,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and has an external and internal green color. This beautiful Chevrolet Monte Carlo is absolutely original and corresponds to the era of its time. It is based on a powerful 350 cubic inch engine with a quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor, which is combined with the TH350 transmission. The car offers excellent control and smooth driving, creating unforgettable impressions on the road. This Monte Carlo embodies not only style and elegance, but also retains its uniqueness and authenticity. With its engine that speaks the language of its era and a unique design, this Chevrolet Monte Carlo is ready to decorate the collection and give its owner the pleasure of driving. 3. Currently on sale is a magnificent 1972 Chevrolet Nova at a price of $24,000. This car, which has covered 44,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and has an exterior blue color and a black interior. This beautiful Nova was restored from scratch, and now it pleases its owner with a freshly rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 engine. The transmission has also been rebuilt with the 2500 stall installation, which gives this car amazing dynamics. It is equipped with front disc brakes, a power steering system, and new discs. This Nova not only looks amazing, but also provides an incredible driving experience. Thanks to its fresh appearance and attention to detail in the interior, this car is ideal for those who are looking for something special. He is ready to give his owner unique moments behind the wheel and admiring glances on the road. 4. This stunning 1965 Ford Mustang, on sale for $18,500, is now ready to please its owner. The 60,000 miles traveled do not overshadow the splendor of this car, equipped with an automatic transmission, the exterior color of which is blue, and the interior is black. This Mustang is a real find for collectors and connoisseurs of classic cars. The condition of this car is amazing. Fresh paint emphasizes its beauty, and the interior looks brand new. Judging by the seller's description, there are no problems with work or appearance. The car is ready for its new owner to enjoy carefree trips. So if you dreamed of a clean, stylish, and reliable 1965 Ford Mustang, this car is ready to become yours and give you a unique driving experience, complemented by admiring glances on its road. 5. This magnificent 1934 Chevrolet two-door sedan, offered for sale for $50,000, is in excellent condition and ready to win the hearts of connoisseurs of classic cars. The 1,000-mile journey of this car has become part of its rich history, creating a unique character and style. Equipped with an automatic transmission, 5.3 LS engine, and 460 LE transmission, this Chevy sedan offers not only a beautiful appearance in bright red, but also impressive technical characteristics. The frame and body from Outlaw, the suspension from Heights, the rear axle 9 from Ford, Wildwood disc brakes, and the incomparable 17 front and 20 rear billet rail discs make it truly unique. The interior, covered with camel-colored leather, creates a luxurious impression, and custom paint adds an additional touch of style. In addition, the presence of a vintage heating and air conditioning system makes this car suitable for comfortable trips in any weather. Stored in a controlled climatic environment, this car is waiting for its new owner, ready to enjoy not only the beauty, but also the power of this unique classic. 6. We present to your attention the magnificent 1962 Chrysler Windsor, available for purchase at a price of $22,500. This car is not only beautiful in appearance, but also has a rich history, belonging to a single family until now. With the original 70,300 miles on the odometer, the Chrysler Windsor is powered by a powerful 361 kg engine. Recent maintenance includes the installation of a new master cylinder, rear brake cylinder, water pump, thermostat, and fuel pump, ensuring excellent operational readiness. Inside the glove compartment, you will find a hidden stereo player for modern entertainment, easily fitting into the atmosphere of this vintage gem. Despite the fact that the car was repainted many years ago, it still pleases the eye with its impressive and well-preserved appearance. In addition to modern improvements, the package includes original wheels. Also pleasing is the fact that the car has a clean title registered to the current owner. Don't miss the opportunity to become the proud owner of this wonderful 1962 Chrysler Windsor. 7. Let's talk about the magnificent 1956 Mercury Montclair, which is currently available for sale at a price of $16,000. This two-door hardtop is a real vintage with a unique character. Currently, the car is equipped with an engine and transmission from the 1974 Ford van, which has the following characteristics: 5.0 liters, V8, engine capacity 302 cubic inches, PEAK4 automatic transmission with a 105-inch wheelbase and an 8-tooth speedometer gear. Recent updates include replacement of the upper and lower hoses, February 2020, replacement of the alternator belt, February 2020, oil change in the rear differential, February 2020, replacement of the heater connector, September 2020, a new radiator, September 2020, and an update of brakes, rear brake tubes, fittings, November 2021. This car maintains the atmosphere of the 1950s with additional instruments on the bottom of the panel, including a thermometer, an ammeter, and an oil pressure gauge. The car regularly participates in automobile exhibitions, is insured, and has current license plates. Despite its vintage, the car was restored in 2002 and still attracts the eyes with its unique style and historical value. The owner who appreciates classic cars is given a great opportunity to add this magnificent Mercury Montclair to his collection. 8. Let's take a look at the unique 1952 Mercury Monterey, which is currently on sale at a price of $18,500. This car attracts attention with its unique style and improvements that make it comfortable and suitable for daily use. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, providing ease of control, and has an exterior color of burgundy shade, which emphasizes its style. The gray interior creates an elegant contrast with the exterior finish. However, the real star of this car is its technical improvements. It is equipped with an SBC engine and an automatic transmission, which provides excellent performance. In addition, the car has air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electric wipers, and electric cutouts that add a level of comfort and handling. Although the car was built several years ago, it is still a reliable and attractive option for those who appreciate vintage cars with modern improvements. This Mercury Monterey is a successful combination of style and functionality, and it is waiting for its new owner, ready to enjoy a unique driving and appearance. 9. We present you the stunning 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, which is currently available for purchase at a price of $42,999. This magnificent muscular car, presented by Drive the Coast, runs on a reliable 350 engine and an automatic transmission, Turbo 350. This iconic car is equipped with power steering, powerful hydraulic brakes on all wheels, front and rear, which makes driving easy and safe. The 350 motor is easy to start with the first key and provides excellent power and acceleration, leaving nothing to be desired. The controls are also easy and comfortable, just one finger on the steering wheel and pressing the gas pedal. The interior of the car is clean and well maintained, with soft seats and a working car radio with 6 X9 speakers on the rear window shelf. The windows are easily lowered and raised, as they should be. The car body is flawless from the front to the back. The paint is in excellent condition, rated 9 out of 10 points. The bottom of the car is solid and serviceable. No problems. The trunk is also in order. This Chevrolet Chevelle provides an excellent opportunity to purchase a classic muscle car that combines style, performance, and comfort. Do not miss your chance to become the owner of this wonderful car that can give pleasure both externally and while driving. 10. We present to you the magnificent 1969 Ford Mercury Cougar, which is currently available for purchase at a price of $22,000. This impressive car has run 86,200 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Its exterior color is a delicate shade of white, and the interior is made in a stylish range of blue. This Mercury Cougar is especially valuable for its history. Only 2 owners for the entire time of operation, and the car was fully paid. It attracts attention with its original 351 Windsor engine, which corresponds to the factory numbers and emphasizes the authenticity of this classic beauty. Thanks to its incomparable preservation and coincidence with the factory characteristics, this 1969 Mercury Cougar provides a unique opportunity to become the owner of a genuine automotive heritage. Don't miss the chance to purchase this wonderful car that combines elegant style and reliable power.